Accidents happen, and cleaning urine stains from carpets is manageable. For fresh stains, start by blotting with paper towels, then neutralize the odor with a mixture of equal parts white vinegar and water, applying it generously to the area. Let the solution sit for about 10 minutes before blotting it up again and sprinkling baking soda over the damp spot. Ideally, let the baking soda sit for at least 4 hours or overnight to absorb any lingering odors. Afterward, vacuum the baking soda thoroughly. For older, dried stains, consider using an enzyme-based cleaner which breaks down uric acid. If needed, use a UV light to locate all parts of the stain. Apply the cleaner as per instructions and be prepared to repeat the process if the smell persists. Finally, wipe up any excess cleaner with a damp microfiber cloth to complete the cleaning process.